Hey Focus admin users, did you know that students checked in or out and the kiosk or mobile app will display on your late check-in early release screen, and that you can check them in or out from that same screen? Well, welcome to a Byte of Tech, where today's topic is the late check-in early release screen. Let's get started. From your portal page, go to Attendance and then choose Late Check-in Early Release. This screen is going to appear. You're going to notice that it defaults to today's date. If you need to change it, click on the calendar and a drop-down will appear. It's also important to note that this screen will refresh every 4 seconds. You're going to see the student, student ID, grade, as well as the kiosk for attendance mode, the course they're in, the section, the code for attendance, which you can change from this drop-down, or you can click the green Change to Check-in or Check-out button. The entry or release time depending on check-in or check-out. And if you scroll, you're going to see the following periods can be changed, parent contact drop-down if applicable, a spot for your reason code, and that space to scan, upload, or take a photo of an excuse note. One of the convenient features is the time in and out columns are automatically updated on the absence summary screen and the administration screen. Updating either of those previous screens will also update your late check-in early release screen. And there you have it, late check-in early release with Focus. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our wide range of videos, because that is a Byte of Tech.